It's really like one a crystal placement and flower. So I'm using these two colors together. And we need is the 3D brush. Just pick up a little bit. Want to do it like a two-tone color. So I'm gonna get 2 beads first. Here's a look at the first nail. It's really quick and simple. You can add it on. I can add like a more transfer foil, more details on it. But I want to keep it really cute and fun there. Second beads. And then we're gonna using the Duo brush. Just press down and release. We're gonna do it on one's petals going this way and then one petal toward that way. Sorry, one more try. Press it down. And release, down and release. Press down. And release, press down. And you don't have to go really aggressive. I'm just fascinating it, these two colors together. And then you can just really a gentle touching it and give it a really cool, like have a blending two color. It's a perfect color, like a berry perry, right? Is it berry perry?
Very berry.
Berry perry? I thought a berry perry.
No, very
No?
berry.
And then if you feel like a little bit sticky on your tip of your 3D brush, you can just wipe your tip of your dual brush with alcohol to help release all that, the residue, tacky layers, the stickiness in your okay. Sorry. And the best thing about a 4D gel, you are not going to worry about is gonna make a mistake. If you feel like not happy with this, absolutely you can pick it up and start sculpting it again until you're happy with this. This color is a cooling from a 4D gel. It's really like good, compatible and like perfect with that. Okay. I'm gonna flash here for just a second. 10 seconds, 20 seconds. And then we're gonna using 4 smaller beads. You okay, babe? for smaller beads.
And a quick reminder, any product you see Nancy use, you can find them on glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
I'm gonna use just a little bit of cooling, just a smaller. Really like. I'm not using it in like really tiny. You can just like leave it. Maybe I should leave it alone. Let's see. Because it's gonna have enough the backgrounds underneath. Press down. And then let's go. Press down and then let's go. I'm gonna do this, repeating the same thing, and then you don't have to perfect it at once first. You can work all 4 petal first, and then you can adjust them after that. Don't need any other solution at all. And you can do these colors, the flowers, 1 color, 2 colors. However you would like. I like it. Great. Clear, quick. And then we are going to using, I'm gonna using these colors. Thinking of which color is gonna be really good. I'm gonna using the Ultimate Crystal Kit, and this color is going perfect with that. See if I can get one of the cues, big one right there, and then add some crystal on it. Cool. Okay. Go ahead and start with the condensed glue gel. Crystal will stay there. Really thick density, so you need it just not too thick and not too thin. I'm gonna apply on Tyler nails because we are going to add some crystal around. And then, should we leave it matte finish or shiny? Matte.
Doing that.
We'll do matte, the other one, no white. So we're not using a matte finish. And the flowers, you don't have to top coat the flower because the flower is tag free. It's not sticky at all. I'm looking at some chains right here. Adding a frame on. Adding some crystal, clear diamond crystal, which is coming in these kits, the ultimate crystal kits. I might use this diamond clear and the I think I'm the wrong side. There you go. How's the screen look? It's good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna continue to add some more beads, crystal on. And this in a mixed crystal, mix the colors. It has all the way from SS3 to SS like 20. So you have plenty of a crystal with so much crystal in here for you to create. I'm gonna add some on. Hopefully you give you some idea for the like countdown nails. Can't believe it's one more day, right? Is that one more day before the new year?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can add beads on it if you like. Silver beads. Hey, everyone doing good? Or just me feeling like I'm feeling maybe because I so fascinating with this design. I'm so excited. It looks really cool in a different. It like have a Frozen's like winter, New Year's or whatever it is. It's really cool though. Like combination of whatever you would like to call this one. New Year, winter. All right, so I'm happy with this. We are going to clear. Hold on, let this one back in.